Hello and welcome. I am JV with the Cyber team, and today we're going to go over how to share a folder to your network. Why would we want to share a folder to our network? I would do it within the instance where I don't have an external hard drive or portable USB drive or any type of way to share my files with whomever I need to share them with. For instance, if I have my computer and then there's another computer in my network, there's no way for it to access the data unless I share out my folder to them. So this is one solution to that problem. And the way we do this is by opening up our File Explorer. It's the little folder at the bottom here. I just click on that, and then you go to the disk drive on which that folder resides. You can also share an entire disk drive itself, but in this demonstration, I'm just going to share out a folder located on my local disk E drive. And the folder I'm going to share out is the client1. And the way you do that is you right click on the folder, and then you hit properties, and then you're going to see the client1 properties. Client1 only because that's the name of the folder itself. And then you're going to see sharing in one of these tabs at the top. You just click sharing right there. And then you can do advanced sharing if you want to. This is where you can specify the share name itself. So the way you do that is you just check mark share this folder, and then you can change the name if you want to have it different than the actual folder name itself. You can also add some permissions in here if you want to change it up a little bit and not allow somebody to modify or put things in there or whatever you need them to do. You can specify what they can do through the permissions themselves. And the final step would be to click on the Network and Sharing Center here at the bottom. And this is just to make sure that you have this option turned on, the file and print sharing. As you can see here, it says when file and printer sharing is on, files and printers that you have shared from this computer can be accessed by people on the network. So that option is on. You can hit cancel at this point or hit OK or apply if you did make any changes. And then the way somebody would access it is this network path right here, which is for mine is this // desktop -27 blah blah /client1. So you can just tell somebody to put that into their computer so they can access your folder. So I'm going to close out of this just as a demonstration. I copied it, and then you go to the toolbar at the top. I'm going to paste into it, and as you can see, I'm now using that shared path in order to access that folder. So I hope you learned how to share a folder and potentially do something fancy with it. And with that, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe. We look forward to seeing you again.